My name is Dr. Matt Hansen, and I'm a failed musician. I spent a lot of time learning how to play music, and when I finally got to middle school, I got a chance to play in the Pines Middle School band, right? That was a beginner band. You get into beginner band and you learn how to play. I wanted to play like Charlie Parker, but there was no Charlie Parker saxophones available, so what I ended up doing was I switched over to the trumpet. Now, so fast forward, I'm learning how to play the trumpet. I'm like, yo, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's play this Birth of Cool here. And he gives me the mouthpiece. Is the first start of learning how to play, because you have to learn how to develop what they call embouchure. You have to develop a tone for your lips, learn how to posture and pucker your lips to be able to play inside of this mouthpiece. And it just reminds me, right? Like, in the course of playing an instrument, you have to master your craft. You have to develop, right? And just because I practice with the band doesn't mean that I put in the extra hours to develop the skills to be able to play the trumpet. One of the things that being a musician is about, it's that endless drive to practice. It's that desire to go deeper. So here's the question. Should I be paid billions of dollars to go on the stage with my mediocre skill set? If any of you would be willing to come to my trumpet concert and watch me play, I want you to tell me what song you would want me to play on this trumpet with my current skill set, because I'm looking for it. I want to know what song you would like me to play on my pocket trumpet at the Hollywood Bowl. Would you pay with my mediocre skills to come out and watch my concert playing the trumpet that I've only played periodically? I only put in periodic effort to make this work. Write a comment in the section below. That's my time. I'm Dr. Hansen and I'm out. Genuinely know my mom would show up for that concert, because, I mean, my mom would show up. What you know about that, son? I love my mom. My mom would show up for my concert, even if I played a string. Not a stringed instrument. If I played a string, my mom would show up. She would talk bad about me while I'm there, but she would show up for my concert. It'd be streaming live. She'd watch the streaming and in-person concert as well.